to be showing you my instasmile Clip On Veneers today. I have the classic top and bottom in the shade A2. When you receive them, they'll come in this very handy box with a mirror inside for when you're out and about. I suffer with very severe Amelogenesis Imperfecta, which, if you don't know what that is, I basically have no enamel on my teeth, meaning I have no protection and no whitening on my teeth, which has obviously affected my day-to-day life, whether that's laughing, smiling, or even just talking normally. I would never show my teeth, no matter what. And I haven't shown my teeth for about 6 or 7 years now. So it's been a very long time. So ever since I found instasmile, these have changed my life. I've been able to go out, talk with confidence, smile with confidence, take photos with confidence. Honestly, my life has changed so much. They're so easy to put in, the process is quick and easy, and the communication is amazing as well if you need any advice or help. This is my teeth before. They're not very pleasant to look at. But once I have my veneers in, I have a brand new smile just in seconds.